welcome to everyone. Today we will discuss the previous year paper analysis of CSL, that is Cochin Shipyard Limited. And for the preparation of this exam, your PDF provided dedicated tailor-made module. Okay, so the candidate who are interested to join us, fill the Google form, and the link of the Google form are available in the description box of this video. Now we discuss the previous year paper analysis subject wise. So you see here this table, only machine subject, which are the core subject of electrical branch, contain 50% weightage. Okay, this is the 2025 analysis, this is the year of 2021 paper analysis, and in both the paper machine contain approximately 50% weightage. Now in electrical machine, what is the important topics and what is the area behind the questions? Okay, see, in electrical machine or any other subject, not the random topic, simple forward questions asked, like in electrical machine, types of losses, which is the application, what are the main application of the single phase induction machine, single phase induction machine, and synchronous machine, three phase induction machine, slip S equal to ns minus nr upon ns related problem. Okay, and what are the synchronous generator, armature reactions, type of losses, and many questions on the transformer also. So electrical machine are the core subject of electrical branch and core subject of this paper also, because it contains 50% of total weightage. Electrical technical question, because in technical question 40 questions are asked. Okay, next is power system. Power system in 2025, 7 questions asked. The questions level are very easy, like what is the load factor, demand factor, and how we desirable form that we increase the load factor is desirable or not. Okay, maximum value of load factor is desirable or not. What is the impact on generating capacity when we increase the load factor, and so on. Next, measurement. Measurement is also simple. In energy meter related question asked, which is what is the unit of meter constant, that is the revolution per kilowatt hour, that type of question are asked. Okay, next UEE, that is utilization of electrical energy, and something question, 1 or 2 question asked from analog electronics. Okay, next control system, only 1 question asked, and this is the simple question based on the open loop and closed loop, not required much study on that subject, that analog electronics and control system. See, when we discuss the detailed solution of each and every question in the further classes, you see this is the only introductory question. Like when we study the control system, we study first for what is the types of control system based on the feedback involved them, that is the open loop control system, closed loop control system. Okay, only that type of question asked in the control system. Okay, and in power electronics, only first question, first chapter, like devices and SCR, that is silicon controlled rectifier based problem are asked. No need to study chopper, inverter and all, but in our tailor-made module we cover all the relevant questions which are expected to ask in the future exam. Next, power basic electrical or network. Here basic electrical and network in 2025 5 questions are asked, and in 2021 9 questions. This is the very much important subject. So electrical machine, power system, and basic electrical or network analysis, these 3 subjects are more important for your CSL, that is Cochin Shipyard Limited. So if you are interested, join our dedicated WhatsApp group, and the link of the WhatsApp group are available in the description box of this video. Okay, if you face any doubt related to any question, any concept, then please comment on the comment box. Thank you.